I'm very glad, I'm very honored. It's like the reward for the hard work.
We had put a lot of hard work into this project, and I've been honored because we get first place.
That give us the possibility to be a premium tool supplier for all customers on the world.
I've been working in this job for like 6 years now, for over 6 years, and I've put in really hard work because it's hard to keep up with the men, and I do it to empower more women do the same as me or other jobs that are based on men. I only worked on ANCA machines my whole experience, but I like them the most. I don't get the software on the other machines, and ANCA is very easy to check. And my father's been working on ANCA machines for over 20 years, and we just want ANCA, you know. We will buy another one, and we keep up with ANCA.
Yeah, the ANCA machines are really easy to use. They're really beautiful machines. Nothing changes unless they need to. I like to think that I'm making a difference. So just being here, I feel like I am making a difference in some way. Women should get into engineering a lot more. It's a very difficult industry, but once you're in it, and you're in it for life, basically. So.
I love it. I have been worked for 2 years before I became to the office. Well, I love the ANCA machines. It's very easy to use. Yeah, it's very easy to use, and ANCA machines is very reliable. I'm working in the JG Group for years, but we are cooperating, I think, from the beginning of the JG Group, and we are very satisfied about the client's relationship.
There is a little bit history. I began last year as the boss of Franken, and we spoke in a few minutes about the ANCA Tool Award, and they told me that they think about it, but they didn't do that. And so, okay, I said, let's do us. We take part, but we won't win. That was the task for us, the challenge. And our grinder, Mr. Schräg, he is passion. I think he grinding since he's a child, or I don't know. A lot of knowledge, and so our constructor, he helps him, and it will be amazing for us.